Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's very important to give your kid a new toy every now and then. And it's equally important to give them a toy they can relate to. I've noticed that Aarna loves to play with the dough that her mom prepares. So that is why this particular toy I've chosen for her, which is perfect for her. This is a modeling clay by KORES. I'll be unboxing this and we'll see how well Aarna relates to this. So you can see this is a modeling clay by KORES. It has one rolling pin and 3 molds to it. And there are 12 different colors. And this costs around 140 rupees at retail. So let's begin the unboxing. So we'll just tear this. This is these 12 colors that we have. We'll just tear out the rolling pin. So this here is a small rolling pin, and we have these 3 different shapes, and this is the colors. We'll just pull out red color. This seems pretty soft. We'll just see how well it holds. So as you can see, it is holding well. It's non-sticky. It is holding well to any shape. So we'll take this yellow clay, we'll just roll this, or with the use of rolling pin which is given, we can simply try and roll this to the diameter. Of this particular shape. We'll try making this shape. So we'll just put it here, insert it, remove the residue, remove it carefully, and you can see a boy shape has been made. So there are others also which we can do similarly, other shapes also which we can make similarly. Is all set to play. She has already held on to the rolling pin, and we have decided we'll give her the blue clay. So Aarna, roll on this. Roll, roll, roll. Slowly, 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 slowly. Hold my hand. Roll this slowly, slowly. Now slowly it has come up to the shape. Aarna, you want to press this? Hold this and press. Press, press. Yeah, yes, yes. See how beautifully it is done. Cut the residue. Nice. Now see, what is this? What have you made? It's a dog. What is it?
Dog.
It's a dog.
Dog.
Yes. Show the dog. Hold it. Hold it this way. It's a dog. Anna's made a dog. Try this with your kids and do comments their reaction, their feedbacks, your feedback in the comment below. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel and like this video. Tell your friends also. Thank you so much.